FLOWRiX e-commerce for blinds, shutters, and curtains. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to move an attribute from one group to another. Go to Custom Products. Edit Roller Blinds. Go to the Attributes tab. Here we have 3 different groups. In the first group measurement, we have width and height attributes. In the last group, customization, we have an attribute location. So let's edit this attribute and call it room name. Now let's move it to the first group to display it with width and height. Click on the 4-headed arrow on the room name attribute. Select the destination group as measurements and click Yes. Now let's move the room name attribute to the top by dragging it. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and watch tons of cool features in FLOWRiX. Expand your blinds, shutters, and curtains business with the FLOWRiX digital commerce platform. Start your trial today.